Have you ever wondered how to make $1 million with a Shopify store and Pinterest? Today we're exploring just that, a journey of 1,000 miles, or in this case $1 million, beginning with a single step. We'll break down this process into digestible steps, making it easy for anyone to follow along. From understanding the platforms to driving traffic and making sales, we've got it all covered. So, are you ready to turn your dreams into reality? Let's dive into the world of e-commerce and social media. First off, let's talk about Shopify, the leading e-commerce platform. Shopify is an all-encompassing platform that makes it incredibly easy for anyone to start, manage, and grow an online business. Whether you're a seasoned entrepreneur or just starting out, Shopify has got you covered. One of the main reasons why Shopify is so popular among online businesses is its ease of use. You don't need any technical knowledge to set up a store on Shopify. The platform provides you with a wide range of customizable themes, allowing you to create a unique and appealing online storefront that resonates with your brand. Talking about features, Shopify offers everything from inventory management and payment gateways, to marketing tools, and detailed analytics. All these features are available at different pricing tiers, making it affordable for businesses of all sizes. Now that you have a basic understanding of Shopify, let's move on to the next step. Now let's shift our focus to Pinterest, a powerful visual search engine and social media platform. Pinterest is more than just a place to discover DIY ideas or to find your next hairstyle. With over 400 million users worldwide, Pinterest is a treasure trove of potential customers waiting to discover your brand. It's a platform where people go to get inspired, to discover, and ultimately, to buy. Pinterest's unique features like boards and pins allow users to curate their own space of inspiration. It's a platform designed for discovery. That's where your business comes in. By creating a Pinterest account, you're opening the door to a whole new world of potential customers. The user demographics of Pinterest are diverse, catering to a wide range of age groups and interests. This means that no matter what your product or service is, there's likely an audience for it on Pinterest. With a grasp of Pinterest, it's time to learn how to combine it with Shopify. The magic happens when Shopify and Pinterest come together. This union is where the sparks of creativity and commerce ignite, leading to a potentially explosive increase in visibility and traffic for your online store. But how do you connect these two platforms? Let's delve right into it. Start by logging into your Shopify account. Navigate to the Sales Channels section in your dashboard and select Add Sales Channel. From the list of available channels, click on Pinterest. Follow the prompts to install the Pinterest channel to your Shopify store. Next, you'll need to log into your Pinterest business account. If you don't have one yet, it's easy to create, and it's free. Once logged in, apply for Rich Pins. These are pins that include extra information right on the pin itself. After your application is approved, you can start pinning directly from your Shopify store. Now let's talk about the buyable pins feature on Pinterest. This feature is a game changer because it allows users to buy your products directly from Pinterest without leaving the platform. It's like having a mini Shopify store right on Pinterest. To enable this feature, go back to your Shopify dashboard, click on Pinterest under Sales Channels, and enable Buyable Pins. The benefits of this integration are manifold. For starters, it places your products in front of Pinterest's hundreds of millions of users, effectively increasing your store's visibility. It also drives more traffic to your store as people pin and repin your products. Furthermore, the Buyable Pins feature makes the shopping experience seamless for customers, thereby increasing the potential for sales. But remember, success doesn't come overnight. It requires consistent effort, strategic pinning, and engaging with the Pinterest community. Experiment with different types of pins, monitor your analytics, and tweak your strategy based on what works best. Once Shopify and Pinterest are integrated, it's time to learn how to drive traffic and sales. And that, my friends, is where the real fun begins. So buckle up and get ready because the journey to your first million starts now. Driving traffic to your Shopify store is the key to making sales. It's the lifeblood of your online business, the bustling highway that leads potential customers right to your virtual doorstep. So how do we ensure a steady flow of traffic from Pinterest to your Shopify store? Let's dive into some effective strategies. First up, we have keyword research. Just as Google uses keywords to understand and rank content, Pinterest does the same. Investing time in finding the right keywords for your pins and your Pinterest boards is crucial. This helps Pinterest understand what your content is about and who should see it. Use keywords that your target audience is likely to search for, and incorporate these into your pin titles and descriptions. Secondly, we have to talk about the aesthetics of your pins. Pinterest is a visual platform, and beautiful, eye-catching pins are more likely to be saved and shared. Use high-quality images, play around with different fonts and colors, and don't be afraid to experiment with various designs to see what resonates with your audience. Next, we need to discuss the importance of pinning regularly. Consistency is key on Pinterest. Regularly pinning not only keeps your content fresh, but it also gives Pinterest more opportunities to show your pins to users. Consider using scheduling tools to ensure a steady stream of new pins. Finally, let's touch on Pinterest ads, a powerful tool for driving traffic. With Pinterest ads, you can promote your pins to a wider audience, helping you reach people who haven't discovered your store yet. You can target your ads based on demographics, interests, and keywords, making sure they reach the right people at the right time. Remember, driving traffic is a process. It requires patience, consistency, and the willingness to adapt and learn. But the results can be rewarding, leading to increased visibility for your store and more potential customers. Driving traffic is only half the battle. Converting that traffic into sales is what really matters. So let's move on to the next crucial step of our journey: making sales. Now let's discuss how to convert that Pinterest traffic into Shopify sales. The key to making sales is, of course, the conversion of traffic into actual purchasing customers. This journey starts with your Shopify store itself. Think of your online store as a brick-and-mortar shop. It needs to be clean, organized, and inviting. A user-friendly website is essential in ensuring that potential customers navigate smoothly, find what they need easily, and most importantly, feel comfortable enough to make a purchase. Now let's delve into the heart of your online shop: the product descriptions. These are not just simple explanations of what you're selling. They are your sales pitch, your opportunity to convince potential customers that your product is what they need or want. Make them compelling, engaging, and informative. Let your passion for your products shine through, and don't forget to highlight the benefits. Next up, high-quality images. We live in a visual world, and Pinterest is a platform driven by beautiful and inspiring images. So, it's only natural that your Shopify store should be visually appealing too. High-quality images can make a world of difference in enticing Pinterest users to click through to your site. Remember, your product images are the first impression potential customers get of what you're selling. Make it count. But wait, there's more to it than just having a great website and amazing products. Customer service plays a pivotal role too. Quick response times, helpful information, and a friendly demeanor can turn a simple query into a sale. It shows your customers that you care about them and that you're there for them every step of the way. Finally, be patient and persistent. Success doesn't happen overnight. It takes time to build a following, to optimize your site, and to perfect your product offerings. But with hard work, perseverance, and a little bit of savvy, you'll get there. With these strategies, you're well on your way to making $1 million with your Shopify store and Pinterest. To wrap it up, we've traveled quite a journey together in the last few minutes, didn't we? We've delved into the heart of Shopify, a platform teeming with entrepreneurial potential, waiting for you to tap into. We've explored the vibrant world of Pinterest, a social media platform like no other, where creativity and commerce dance together in a visual symphony. We've bridged these two worlds, connecting Shopify and Pinterest in a partnership that's as seamless as it is powerful. We've looked at ways to drive traffic, to draw potential customers from the far reaches of the internet to your Shopify store. Not just any traffic, but targeted, meaningful traffic. Individuals who are not just interested in what you're selling, but are ready to click that Buy Now button. But driving traffic is just one part of the equation. We've also discussed strategies for converting that traffic into sales. Because at the end of the day, that's what it's all about, isn't it? Turning potential into reality, interest into action, visitors into customers, and customers into repeat customers. This journey we've taken together is more than just a tutorial. It's a roadmap, a blueprint, a step-by-step guide to making $1 million with a Shopify store and Pinterest. So there you have it, a step-by-step guide to making $1 million with a Shopify store and Pinterest. It's now your turn to take these steps and turn your dreams into reality.